Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this video lecture. In this video lecture, we will study about AC substation, function of AC substation, typical layout in the AC substation and major equipments installed in the AC substation. In traction system, we know that we have three different types of electrification is possible. One is a DC system, one is AC system, and one is composite system. In this lecture, we will discuss about AC track electrification system and substation layout. Now let us discuss AC substation. Continuity of supply in any severe condition is most essential part in the traction duty, and that is why incoming high tension supply to the substation is always from two different sources of supply or by double transmission line. So we always have a backup power source available in case of any fault condition occurs. Let us see the typical layout of a AC substation. From the incoming high tension line, and that is 132 kV from the power station, we have two different high tension transmission line to the substation. Two sets of 132 kV bus bar. We have one bus bar and we have another bus bar. So for bus bar also we have a redundancy. We keep two set of 132 kV bus bar. One bus bar is known as a main bus bar and another bus bar that is known as a transfer or maintenance bus bar. In case of maintenance or in case of fault, if we have to isolate one of the bus bar, then another bus bar will be in service, and with the help of bus coupler we can take any of the bus bar into the service. We use isolators on both the side of circuit breaker. In case of maintenance of circuit breaker, we can isolate the circuit breaker before we start the maintenance work. In case of fault condition, automatically circuit breakers trip, and then with the help of isolator, circuit breakers can be isolated and then circuit breaker can be taken under maintenance. We require 25 kV AC single phase supply to be transmitted to the overhead catenary, and that is why we use a two step down single phase 132 kV to 25 kV 50 Hz transformer. The capacity of the transformer remain 10 to 12.5 MVA. We use two different transformers. One transformer always remain in the service. In case of maintenance or in case of fault condition, one of the transformer can be isolated and another transformer start rendering the service. So here in the typical layout plan of the AC substation, we can see that we have two bus bar, we have two transmission line, we have bus coupler and isolators, we have two similar T1 and T2 transformers, 12.5 MVA. Then isolators and circuit breakers are provided on the secondary side also for the protection of the transformer. Then 25 kV bus. The step down 25 kV single phase supply from substation is carried out by two 25 kV feeders to the feeding post spaced along the route of the track. The AC substation are unattended type with facility of remote control operation and are spaced 50 to 90 km apart. To avoid the voltage fluctuation or to minimize the voltage fluctuation, we use a Scott connected transformer. We can have a layout for the Scott connected transformer. Here we can see that we have transformer secondary and primaries are connected in Scott. To minimize the voltage fluctuation, we use a Scott connection. To compensate reactance drop, a series condenser is inserted at the secondary side of feeding transformer. Here we can see that we have series connected condensers. Here also we can see series connected condensers to compensate the drop because of reactance. Now let us discuss all major equipments which are installed in AC substation. We start with the transformer. Transformers are designed to suit severe operating condition. They have high short time peak capacity and class A insulation is used. Oil cooled detachable radiators are also attached. Circuit breakers. Mostly minimum oil circuit breakers, that is MOCB, are used in AC substation. In case of fault in overhead transmission line, circuit breaker on feeder side operates. In case of fault on input side, line circuit breaker trips. Mainly, circuit breakers are to protect the transformer. Interrupters are mainly manually operated and it is provided on feeding post, sectioning post, subsectioning post and elementary post. The main interlocking provided by the interrupter, that is a double pole switch, should not be operated unless the circuit breaker or interrupter is in open condition. Doors should not be opened into bay or circuit breaker or interrupter unless double pole switch is locked in open position. When the interrupter key is in manual mode, then it should not be operated by a remote control. Then we use a different protective device. Protective device and interlocks are provided for the smooth operation of substation. We mainly protect two sections of the substation, that is a transformer and 25 kV catenary overhead system. In case of transformer protection, we use a inverse overcurrent induction relay as a backup protection for primary side of transformer. Overload thermal relay for protection of secondary side over sustained overload. Earth fault relay for protection of transformer. Bucose relay for protection of transformer from internal winding and overheating fault. And similar way, for the 25 kV catenary protection, Moore relay for distance fault protection, overcurrent inverse relay for protection against overcurrent in lines, and undervoltage relay in case of undervoltage protection is required. So this way we use different protective devices and we use various auxiliaries for protection, for control, for metering and for monitoring purpose. For example, lightning arresters to protect against switching and lightning surge. Current transformers and potential transformers, that is CT and PTs, to provide a lower value of voltage in current for metering and control circuit. Batteries for operation of remote control equipment. So for traction duty, we require 25 kV single phase AC power supply, and for that we use AC substation. And in this lecture we have discussed about layout of the AC substation and major equipments installed in the AC substation. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching. Thank you very much.